In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Smartsheet. A dashboard in Smartsheet is a single, visual place to surface key information from your sheets and reports, things like metrics, charts, shortcuts, and updates, so your team can see the big picture at a glance. The actual creation process is quick, and in this walkthrough, I'll keep it simple and clear so you can get from idea to dashboard without any confusion. Start on the Smartsheet home screen with the left sidebar visible. That sidebar is your main navigation. Click Create. This is your starting point for any new Smartsheet item, and it opens a panel or window where you decide what you want to make and where it should live. Next, choose the location for your new project. Location simply means the workspace or folder that will store your dashboard. If you're building something for a team, a shared workspace is usually best so the right people have access. If it's personal or still in draft, a private folder can keep it contained until you're ready to share. As you pick a location, think about who needs to view or edit the dashboard later, since permissions come from where it's saved. From the options below, choose Dashboard. In Smartsheet, dashboards are sometimes referred to as portals, but selecting Dashboard here ensures you're creating that visual hub you can later populate with the content your audience needs. Once you click it, Smartsheet will set up the new dashboard in the location you selected and open it for you to begin working. That's the entire creation process. A few quick tips to help you make the most of it. Organize your workspaces and folders ahead of time so your dashboard is easy to find. Keep consistency in how you name dashboards, especially if you expect to create more than one. And consider your audience. Executives may want high-level metrics, while project teams benefit from more operational views. After creation, you can return to this dashboard anytime to shape it into exactly what you need. To recap, open the left sidebar and click Create, pick the location where the dashboard should live, and then choose Dashboard from the options. With those simple actions, you have a new dashboard ready to evolve as your project grows. If you keep your location organized and your audience in mind, you'll set yourself up for a clean, professional result right from the start.